In this tutorial, we will look at how to create a PDF from scanned files. How often has it happened around the office that a document needs to be edited or reprinted with changes and you just can't locate the original digital version? Well, I'm guessing that happens a lot. And when time is money, you simply can't afford to have someone retype that file. Think of a lengthy legal contract, for example. So here's what you do to solve that sticky situation. You would scan the printed version of the document in as high-res TIFFs and then let Acrobat convert it into a single PDF. Acrobat will then also convert the scanned images into editable text and export it to whichever formats you need, including MS Word, Excel, or even rich text format. So let's do that together. Using the Create menu, we select Combine Files into a single PDF. We would navigate to the folder with the TIFFs in it using Add Files and select the folder as well as the TIFFs ready for import. Click on Combine Files and notice that each TIFF is converted into a PDF and combined into a file called Binder. If I scroll through the document, it looks like text, but when selecting a word, I in fact can't select it because it is only an image. So next up, I will need to convert this scanned file into actual text. And I do this by using Tools, Text Recognition, and select in this file. Say OK to the default settings, and each image is loaded and converted and straightened by Acrobat. Just give it a few seconds to do its job, and then attempt once more to select a word using your selection tool. Notice that now the image has been converted to text and I'm able to select words individually. All that remains now is to export that format using Save as Other, and in this case we will select Microsoft Word and Word Document. I'll drop it into the folder on my desktop and give it a name and click on Save. All that remains now is to navigate to Word and open it up. The text recognition software has not been effective in areas where the characters could not be identified by the software. Underlining, handwriting, coffee stains, tears, and folds in the paper would interrupt that software's ability to convert the characters into text. But it has worked fairly well in other areas. The remaining file looks fairly good, leaving me with small changes to make and saving me a lot of time in recreating this entire file.